When in the outdoors, survival does not only mean hunting food, water, or starting a fire. Surviving also means being as comfortable as you can out there. While there are plenty of things to do and think about while surviving, going number 1 or number 2 should not be a big problem you have to deal with. Going to the toilet when you are in the wild is actually very important because being clean and sanitized will help you survive and greatly impact your chance of surviving. Although you can just go anywhere when in the wild, taking nature's call in a camping toilet is highly recommended. A camping toilet's main purpose is for the campers to be able to go do their business anywhere and at any given time easily, cleanly, and not leave any smell behind. While camping, the campsite or shelter you built will be your home until you return back. So, until then, you should treat your campsite as how you would treat your home. This means keeping things tidy, sanitized, and also not smelly. So, what makes the best camping toilet? While camping, you have to make sure the things you have with you are important. You should not pack too much, and the ones you bring is of the highest use and that of the highest quality. With all this being said, the best quality of a camping toilet should be portable, so that you and anyone could bring it easily. Durable so that it won't break easily in the middle of the camping experience. Easy to use so that anyone can use it easily. Finally, affordable so that it is worth it. Here are the top 5 portable camping toilets to use. Number 1. BLIKA 16.5-inch high stainless steel folding commode portable toilet seat. Personally, I think this product is the best one out of all. For the price of more or less $40 to $60, this camping toilet is very easy to use and is very sturdy. Basically, this product is just a sturdy stool with a hole in the middle of it. Even though the design of it is very simple, it is very effective for day-to-day use while camping and also for emergencies. This product is also foldable and can be easily portable as it is also quite thin when folded. It is light in terms of weight and it fits perfectly in the back of the car. To use this product, you have to find a flat ground in which you can place this camping toilet. You can either dig a hole directly beneath it or use a plastic bag tied to the chair. Once you're done, just tie the bag up or cover the hole and everything is done. Moreover, this product can be converted into a normal stool for you to sit in. It comes with seat lid for the hole, and once you put it together, you have a sturdy stool ready to use. This product requires no building and you receive it intact. The only problem with this camping toilet is that if the ground you choose is not flat, then you might not have an enjoyable time taking nature's call. Number 2. Clean Waste Go Anywhere Complete Portable Camping Toilet. The Clean Waste camping toilet is very portable. It can be folded easily, and once it is folded, it becomes a briefcase. Other than being very portable, it is very light as it only weighs 7 to 10 pounds and can stand more than 100 kilograms. Moreover, it is also quite comfortable to use even on uneven grounds. This product is already assembled and it also comes with a waste bag, deodorizing agent, secure puncture-resistant zip bag, toilet paper, and hand wipe. It also provides a back support when you can rest your back on when taking the number 2. It is very easy to clean, and it is not very hard to figure out how to use it for beginners. These factors will make your camping experience much more comfortable. However, the price can reach as high as $80 and maybe even more according to different stores, so that might be a problem for beginners. Number 3. Reliance Products Fold 2 Go Collapsible Portable Toilet. This collapsible portable toilet made by Reliance is highly recommended for traveling and camping for all people. With only $45 more or less, you can have this highly portable camping toilet ready to be used. This camping toilet for me personally is very comfortable to sit on and to use. This toilet uses a plastic bag for the waste, and this means that there won't be any smell left behind. Once folded, it is compact and it is very easy to carry all around as it does not take much space. Children to adults can comfortably use this toilet because it is sturdy and shaped like the normal everyday toilet. This camping toilet is already assembled when bought, so there's no assembly needed. It provides a back support where you can rest your back on it. This product really works anywhere, whether you're in the forest, rivers, or mountains. However, it will need a fairly flat ground so that it can stand comfortably and be able to be used properly. Number 4. Camco 41541 Portable Travel Toilet. This fourth portable toilet is considered a luxury to have for campers and people who go on road trips. It is designed as if it is a working normal toilet in which you can take anywhere as long as you are able to carry it. The first thing you need to do before having this is to research on how to do it, because you have to do some stuff first before using it, such as filling it with water and chemicals so that it won't stink up the camps. This portable toilet has the ability to flush, which means the waste you spew out will be contained safely in its own container. This toilet does not smell even after you use it a couple of times, as long as you flush correctly. It can contain more or less 2.5 gallons of water for flushing and 5 gallons of container for wastes. This portable toilet is highly recommended for people who plan on staying outside for a long time or travel a long distance. Of course, there are problems with this product, which is when it is time to throw out the waste from the container, it will smell very badly, and it is highly recommended to empty the container just before you clean yourself up, because the smell may stick. You have to be on flat ground too if you want to use it, so that no spill may occur. This product costs $65 to $75 according to different websites and sellers, but it is worth it because it will last a long time. Number 5. Camco Portable Toilet Bucket with Seat and Lid Attachment. Last but not least is the Camco toilet. As its name stated, the Camco toilet is basically a bucket with a toilet seat as its lid. As simple as the design seems, this product is very useful for campers and for people who work outdoors. Its basic design ensures that we are all able to use it with no knowledge about it. This toilet can contain up to 5 gallons of waste or water, and it comes with a handle to ensure that it is very easy to carry. Tying a trash bag or any plastic bag big enough will make the experience easier for the one using it. Just tie the bag up after using it, then no mess will be made. Moreover, this thing is very light, yet are able to sustain up to 300 pounds on it. It is very easy to clean, and this portable toilet truly means that you can go anywhere at any time cleanly. This costs $30, which is much cheaper than others on this list, and its quality may or may not defeat the others. It needs a fairly flat ground so that the one sitting will be sitting comfortably. Overall, every camper's needs will differ according to their own preference. If they are going somewhere far with small chances of getting to a toilet, then the Camco 41541 is the way to go. If they're planning to pack light and move a lot, then BLIKA's portable toilet is the one for them. In the end, it all comes down to which toilet suits their needs the best, and all these portable toilets have different uses to them. Taking nature's call should be a moment of peace for everyone, so the only way for you to know which seat is the best is for you to see them for yourself. Always take risks and never complicate things.